I want to discuss the March 24 editions of the Bluesheet and Greysheet. We have two different interesting headlines today, starting with the Greysheet, in which we reflect on the ANA Midwinter in Orlando last week. Dealers at this show reported that collector attendance was down, but they expected it because coin shows overall have been down, and the ANA Midwinters have suffered for year over year. Problems with that show are multitude and talked about online everywhere. We think that maybe this show needs to be rethought and discussed in other ways. But for this year, let's just say that attendance was down, but wholesale business was still strong. If it was gold, it sold, was the headline we wrote. Laura Sperber of Legend Numismatics makes this excellent point that right now, better day gold is among the strongest area in the entire market overall. But we'd also tell you that great high quality collector coins that you don't see every day, better date Morgan dollars, DMPLs, or beautiful coins, really, any holder, are really strong and in demand because price levels have come down to a point where everybody seems to want them. The problem is there's just not enough supply. Now there's a lot of coins on the market that aren't that interesting and run of the mill, and they languish in the market. And frankly, if your prices aren't right and current levels, dealers are having trouble selling. So you have to be careful when you hear these reports that coins are slow. Mostly it's a level issue in our opinion. Now, the Bluesheet reports about the United States Mint sales decline of late. That's been reported, and a lot of people are concerned that if the U.S. Mint sales are down, the collector base must be suffering. In our opinion, this is also a reflection on bad marketing. So the U.S. Mint has been uninspired in the last decade, ever since the statehood quarter program finished. The U.S. Mint has really lost its way in terms of an organized campaign of interesting coins, and some of those campaigns that they have launched, including the First Spouse program, have been wanting at best for a collector market. And the ATB 5-ounce hockey pucks, we call them, these big silver discs that are unattractive and poorly executed from a manufacturing standpoint, you know, they've suffered and nobody wants to buy them, and they do poorly in the secondary market. So we're hoping that the U.S. Mint can get its act together and do a better job. And we also think that the collectors that were formed during the statehood quarter program have actually gravitated backwards into classic coins. And we are seeing what we think is a greater number of collectors interested in certified coins from the 19th and earlier 20th century, as they pull back and realize that classic coins are far more interesting and quite affordable in today's market. So that's today's report for the Bluesheet Greysheet. We hope you'll join us next week. Please visit our website at www.greysheet.com and blog.greysheet.com for our printed articles, and we'll see you soon.